Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the default caller ID in spam app on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, and in quick settings, tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on apps. Next, tap on choose default apps, and then you want to tap on caller ID in spam app. Next, in here you can select the app that you want to use as a default caller ID in spam app. So by default it is set to none, so I'm going to choose phone. And it's set the apps that allow you to identify calls and block spam, robocalls, or unwanted numbers. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.